Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Make a great choice today with the 2020 Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is equipped with the standard 3.3-liter V6 270 horsepower hybrid engine that achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Offering a spacious interior, smooth ride, and refined hybrid powertrain, the Highlander is an excellent family vehicle that combines exceptional fuel economy and a spacious, well-appointed interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, starter type, motor generator, daytime running lights, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, autonomous braking. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal. Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only